Lesson: Designing simple automation workflows. Designing simple automation workflows is a crucial skill in the modern business environment, where efficiency and productivity are paramount. Automation workflows streamline processes, reduce human error, and free up valuable human resources for more strategic tasks. This lesson focuses on actionable insights and practical tools for creating these workflows, emphasizing the need for a systematic approach to design and implementation. At the core of designing automation workflows is understanding the process that needs automation. This involves mapping out the process, identifying repetitive tasks, and determining the desired outcomes. Process mapping is a critical step as it provides a visual representation of the workflow, highlighting areas that are ripe for automation. Tools like Lucidchart and Microsoft Visio are excellent for creating process maps. They offer intuitive interfaces that allow users to drag and drop shapes, connect them with lines, and label each step of the process. This visual representation makes it easier to identify bottlenecks and redundancies that could benefit from automation. Once the process is mapped, the next step is choosing the right automation tool. There are numerous tools available, each with its strengths and weaknesses. For instance, Zapier is a popular choice for automating tasks between web applications. It allows users to create workflows, known as zaps, which trigger actions in one app based on events in another. This tool is ideal for automating tasks such as sending emails, updating spreadsheets, or posting on social media. Another powerful tool is UiPath, which is more suited for automating complex business processes. UiPath offers a range of features, including the ability to automate desktop applications, scrape data from websites, and integrate with artificial intelligence technologies. Choosing the right tool involves considering factors such as the complexity of the task, the need for scalability, and the level of technical expertise required. For example, Zapier requires minimal technical knowledge and is ideal for small to medium-sized businesses. In contrast, UiPath may be more suitable for larger organizations with complex processes and the resources to support a more sophisticated automation strategy. After selecting the appropriate tool, the next step is designing the workflow. This involves creating a series of steps that the automation tool will follow to complete the task. A simple framework for designing workflows includes defining the trigger, specifying the actions, and setting conditions. The trigger is the event that initiates the workflow, such as receiving an email or updating a database. The actions are the steps taken by the automation tool to complete the task, such as sending a notification or generating a report. Conditions are rules that determine whether an action should be executed based on specific criteria. For example, consider an e-commerce company that wants to automate its order fulfillment process. The trigger could be a new order received in the system. The actions might include checking inventory levels, generating a shipping label, and sending a confirmation email to the customer. Conditions could be set to check whether the item is in stock before proceeding with the order fulfillment process. This structured approach ensures that the workflow is logical and efficient, minimizing the risk of errors. Testing the workflow is an essential step before full implementation. This involves running the workflow in a controlled environment to identify any issues or areas for improvement. Testing allows for the refinement of the workflow, ensuring that it performs as expected when deployed. It is advisable to involve stakeholders in the testing phase, as their feedback can provide valuable insights into the workflow's effectiveness and user-friendliness. Once the workflow is tested and refined, it is ready for deployment. Deployment involves integrating the workflow into the organization's existing systems and ensuring that all relevant personnel are trained on its use. Training is crucial as it ensures that employees understand how the automation works and how to troubleshoot any issues that may arise. Additionally, providing ongoing support and resources, such as user manuals and help desks, can help employees adapt to the new system and maximize its benefits. Monitoring and maintaining the workflow is the final step in the automation process. This involves regularly reviewing the workflow's performance to ensure that it continues to meet organizational goals. Monitoring can include tracking key performance indicators such as time savings, error reduction, and employee satisfaction. If performance metrics indicate that the workflow is not meeting expectations, it may be necessary to revisit the design and make adjustments. Maintenance also involves updating the workflow as business needs change, ensuring that it remains relevant and effective. The benefits of automating workflows are well documented. According to a study by McKinsey, organizations that implement automation can reduce process costs by up to 30%. Additionally, automation can lead to significant time savings, with some processes being completed up to 70% faster. These benefits not only improve operational efficiency, but also enhance the customer experience by ensuring faster and more accurate service delivery. One case study that illustrates the effectiveness of automation is that of a financial services company that automated its loan approval process. By implementing an automated workflow, the company reduced the time taken to approve loans from 2 weeks to just 2 days. This was achieved by automating tasks such as data entry, credit checks, and document verification. The automation not only sped up the process, but also reduced errors and improved compliance with regulatory requirements. As a result, the company saw a significant increase in customer satisfaction and a decrease in operational costs. In conclusion, designing simple automation workflows is a strategic approach to improving efficiency and productivity in organizations. By understanding the process, selecting the right tools, and following a structured design framework, professionals can create effective workflows that deliver tangible benefits. The use of process mapping tools, automation platforms like Zapier and UiPath, and a systematic approach to design and testing are key to successful automation. Organizations that embrace automation can expect to see significant improvements in process efficiency, cost savings, and customer satisfaction. As business environments continue to evolve, the ability to design and implement automation workflows will be an invaluable skill for professionals in all industries.